Cardi B's court battle with a man suing her for millions is once again delayed, this time due to her jam-packed schedule. According to court documents obtained by Radar, a federal court judge has ruled the Bodak Yellow rapper will not be appearing in a California court in February. Cardi was originally scheduled to face off with a man named Kevin Brophy Jr. at the end of the month. Brophy accuses Cardi of using his likeness of the cover of her mixtape Gangsta Bi-ch Music Volume 1. The photo on the cover shows Cardi in the back of a limo with a heavily tattooed man going down on her. Brophy claims a photo of him was photoshopped in. He says he has distinct tattoos which make it obvious it's him. The suit claims he suffered emotional distress and had to explain the situation to his young son. Cardi says the lawsuit is nothing more than a shakedown. She claims Brophy filed the lawsuit because she's rich and famous. She has refused to settle and claims to be ready to fight in court. Cardi and Brophy were both set for the February trial date. However, court docs show the state suspended jury trials due to the pandemic and the trial date was taken off the calendar. The state has since reversed its decision and trials are once again allowed, but the February date was already off the table. The court proposed an April trial date, but Cardi said it would not work due to her work schedule. A June date was proposed, but it did not work for the musician. Counsel then informed the court that the June 7, 2022 date would not work due to a previously scheduled jury trial. In another matter that would take approximately 5 to 6 weeks, the court order states. The rapper then said the only available dates on her calendar were May 16 through June 3. Her lawyer said Cardi is booked and busy. The filing notes her lawyers told the court Cardi has previously scheduled professional engagements, including a motion picture, live performances, and an anticipated European tour. Back in January 2021, Paramount announced Cardi B would be starring in a film called Assisted Living, her first big film role. The court took all that into consideration and then set a May trial date, but Brophy did not agree. The parties went back and forth, but were not able to hash out an agreement. The judge had to step in and scheduled the trial date for August. The court order notes, the court understands that Ms. Almanzar wants to devote all of her attention to rehearsing for her European tour, for the entire month of August. But she will have to make time for a relatively short 4-day trial at the beginning of that period. Cardi has yet to announce dates for a European tour. The judge notes he will not consider switching the trial date unless there is a real emergency.